On this episode, we're going to unbox and test out this new pump for my inflatable paddleboard.
Tuomico. We're going to check it out and test it out today here at Walsingham Park. Here at Walsingham Park, we're going to test out this new pump. That's Tuomico.
After using a manual pump on many paddles, I decided to order an electric pump and test it out at a scenic location.
So anyway, here we are at Walsingham. We're going to test out the Tuomico air pump on our paddleboard.
Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly, Tuomico.
Fittings, fitting there for your basic paddleboard, other fittings, watercraft, instruction manual, pump, and this connects to your okay. So that's a bag. So pretty nice, huh? Okay, so you get all your settings here. You got a new pump here. All your settings. Here you get your ports. Inflate, deflate, so you can do either one. Get out of the water quicker. Cool. That it'll inflate, so we're gonna have it twisted. Might be better, but well. Okay. So folks, we got that. So time to go test it out. So there you go. Okay, so we got this set up. We're gonna try to hook it up. See what's at. Alright, next thing gonna connect there.
A little tight to twist, so I'm going to have to switch hands.
Oh, I get it tight. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set it. so run the PSI up. I don't know, did you see anything on the video? And then let's get that set.
So we're going to keep track of time as we inflate this paddleboard. This is my raggedy old paddleboard I've had for quite some time. This thing's been everywhere from the Florida Keys to Destin, Florida. If I could get in contact with the company, I'd be glad to tell them what a great product they make. Also, I found this life vest deep in the swamps of Upper Holmes Creek. I guess that's the compressor you hear kicking in, so it should increase the speed on the pumping. So at this point, we're about 7 minutes into it. Well, the pump cut off at the predetermined 12.5 psi. Nothing exploded, and it took about 8.5 minutes.
Alright, so then hooks. So far, so good. Okay, so there you have, folks. Tuomico, about 8 minutes. 8 minutes to inflate my paddleboard. I'm gonna check this out. I'm gonna test it out some more. This is the first time. Pretty impressed by it. Very accurate. Cuts off at the right time. I'll be testing this thing out a lot. A lot. So let's go paddle. Alright, so I'm gonna take that off so we don't mess anything up. Okay. Nice convenient. And it's nice and all down. Boom. Tools in there. Alright, so we get everything in there. Boom. Zipper it. Alright. All packaged up.
So after a decent paddle down the creek, everything's working fine. The paddleboard has not exploded or blown a seam, so everything's successful. Great pump. So far so good. The pump worked great. Paddleboard's working great. Getting dark soon and there's thunderstorms approaching, so it's time to turn around and head back upstream. But we hope everybody enjoyed our unboxing and testing of the Tuomico iSUP pump. So far so good. The pump worked great. Paddleboard's working great. Make sure to like and subscribe. We have many more videos coming soon. And maybe some more test videos like this one.